Jackson here. I'm going to show you how to add this equation up, and as you can see there's some imaginary numbers in here. But first, what we must always remember is I is equal to the root of -1, and I squared is always equal to -1, so always remember that. So our equation here is the pair 7 plus 2i plus 9 minus 5i is equal to what? Okay, so since we have a positive 7 and a positive 9 and a positive 2i, what we can do is we can move the 2i, switch it with the 9, and put the 9 by the 7 to make matching pairs. See? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to step 2. We're going to rewrite the equation as 7 plus 9 plus 2i minus 5i. So, in actuality, it's still the same equation, just switch up the numbers. So now we have the two imaginary numbers in the same pair right here. They're together. So we can next do in the next step, step 3. That's only 2. That's 3. We can do combine these two. 7 plus 9. It's going to give us 16. Plus. What we're going to do here is we're going to factor out the I. So it's going to give us 2 minus 5 with the I factored out. Okay? Step 4. Bring down the 16. Add 2 minus 5 is -3 I. And what we need to do now is we need to factor the I back in. So what it's going to end up being in step 5, you'll find your final answer in standard form is 16. Actually, you can just write it as 16 minus 3i. And recognize that is in standard form because the standard form of complex numbers is, let me write it over here, it's A plus bi. Now that's the standard form, and that's what we have. 16 being A, minus 3i being 3 being B, and I being, well, I. There you go.